Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the best YouTube niches with low competition to grow faster. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Are you looking for the best YouTube niches to start a profitable channel? YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms to make money online. In fact, many entrepreneurs are turning to YouTube as a full-time job. However, getting to that point requires plenty of dedication and hard work. One of the hardest parts is choosing the right niche. You'll need to find a niche without many competitors and with enough interest. In this video, I will show you exactly how to choose the right niche and the best niches for YouTube so you can make a profit with your channel. What is a YouTube niche? A YouTube niche is when you focus on a smaller subsection of a larger market. For example, if you were to create a YouTube account about gaming, creating a channel focused on a specific game like Minecraft would be a great YouTube niche idea. By narrowing down a market, you will be able to find areas with fewer competitors. Also, when you choose a niche, your audience is smaller, but they will engage much more with your content and be more likely to share it and come back for more. That is why a niche YouTube channel is a great idea. 1. Gaming. If there is a YouTube niche growing massively, that would be the gaming niche. As you can see in the trend below, it spiked during the COVID outbreak, but this trend is here to stay. Gaming is a very competitive YouTube niche, with 6.2M videos and 1M channels. So you might want to think about your strategy before choosing this niche. As you can see, the competition is very high. However, with so many new and interesting games, are many the YouTubers still creating channels sharing their gaming experience, streaming, and offering tips. Some of the most popular YouTube gaming channels are dedicated to a specific game. This is a great idea to niche down from gaming and remove thousands of competitors on the way. For instance, you could create a YouTube channel dedicated to Valheim. You could share all kinds of tips and experiences on this channel, and Valheim followers will be likely to follow you if your content is good enough. 2. Fitness fashion. Fitness and fashion, separately, are two of the most dominant niches on the internet. That is why combining them both is a sure bet that is growing in interest. Although this term interest is growing slowly, it has already started to grow faster on other platforms like Instagram. And with brands putting more weight into fitness fashion, this will soon be a great YouTube niche to monetize. The volume might not be very high yet, but it is enough to start a profitable YouTube channel on a topic with interest and where competition is fairly low for now. 3. Healthy snacks. Food is another of the big YouTube niches. In particular, healthy food is very demanded on the YouTube search engine. That is why going niche and focusing on healthy snacks could be a great way to remove some competence while still having a more than decent volume. Moreover, this is a trend that keeps growing over time, so it might be a good opportunity now. With a great volume but very high competition, it might be good to niche down another level to remove some competitors. 4. Travel vlog. YouTube videos in this niche are normally in the first person and the traveler connects with the audience by narrating their adventures. But this can be done in so many different ways, that is why innovation and fresh content always have a chance to succeed in this social media platform and particularly in this niche. 5. Sustainable fashion. Another trend growing in popularity is sustainable fashion. With both big and small brands creating more ethical and sustainable fashion and more conscious society, this niche is only expected to grow in the coming years. In the trend graph below you can clearly observe the change during the last 5 years. And this is only the beginning. The competition knows the potential, so it is already medium. However, there is still plenty of opportunities in this YouTube niche which is just starting to explode. 6. Plant-based diet. We have already discussed the importance of eating well and staying healthy. That is why plant-based diets make a great YouTube niche for foodies. With a very stable trend and growth over the last few years, this seems like a great idea to start a YouTube channel. Moreover, right now is in the sweet spot between volume and competition. So I suggest you think about this before it gets too competitive. 7. Skincare for men. Skincare has been a very popular niche for women, and it is incredibly competitive. However, men are now looking after their skin more than ever, offering a new business opportunity. The trend below shows a clear picture of the evolution of interest in this topic, with a massive growth during the last years. The overall score shows medium volume and competition, which means you can still make it with quality content. 8. AI marketing. Digital marketing is probably one of the fastest growing niches in recent years. And with the recent introduction to AI marketing, presents a profitable YouTube niche idea. Covering topics like AI marketing trends, tips, or tools, could be some ideas to get started in this niche. 9. Mediterranean diet. If you want to create a YouTube channel in the food niche, the Mediterranean diet niche might be your thing. This trend has been increasing in popularity for the last few years and is still growing. As you can see in the score, it is in the sweet spot now between volume and competition. This means is the right moment to tap into this niche. 10. PS5 VR. Virtual reality is a trend with lots of ups and downs. However, if you choose the right VR platform, you can take advantage of this trend. For instance, checking the PS5 VR trend, you can clearly see how its interest has increased a lot during the last few years. Being a relatively new trend, the volume is not very high yet, so isn't the competition. As time passes, new VR technologies and games will likely make this niche more competitive.